Bhuj was ruled by the Jadeja dynasty for 438 years, and Aina Mahal here is a remnant of the rule. This city has a lot of interesting stories to tell, so I'm here to meet an interesting storyteller. Pramod Jethi's passion for history led to becoming a curator at Aina Mahal 28 years ago. He shares a special rapport with the royal family of Kutch and has even authored 8 books that chronicle the heritage of this city. So Pramodji, I've heard that the architect of this place, he was a sailor.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell me a little about him and the history of this place?
एक्चुअली जो राम सिंह मालम जो थे वो राम सिंह मालम ने ये आईना महल को इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन किया है. एक्चुअली ही वाज अ सीमैन और उसका शिप जा रहा था दरिया के अंदर, तो उसका शिप ब्रेक हो गया. वो टाइम हाँ, तो उसको बचाने के लिए एक डच शिप वहाँ से निकला और उसने उसको बचाया और उसके अपने साथ हॉलैंड लेके गया. वो हॉलैंड के अंदर 18 साल रहा, वो 18 ईयर्स. तो उसने बहुत सी आर्ट को सीखा उसने. फिर वो रिटर्न हुआ जब भी वहाँ से हॉलैंड से वापस आया. ये टाइम कच्छ के अंदर जो था राजा, वो बहुत आर्ट का शौकीन था. उसका नाम था महाराव लखपत जी. तो उसने उसके साथ संपर्क किया और वो राजा ने इसके अंदर टैलेंट देखा और उसने अपॉइंट कर दिया कच्छ के लिए.
So during the earthquake,
Yeah.
how many things inside this mahal were damaged? How did you restore it? Was it really bad?
Yes, this is the Phuara Mahal. This portion is the main portion of the Aina Mahal.
Okay.
And this was very badly damaged.
This portion was
Yes,
badly
this
damaged?
was badly damaged. It was like this, you know, the turn like this.
Oh my God.
6 inch. And then we opened this terrace and we removed this debris from the top. And then after we conquered this one now.
Okay.
So now we inside is 4 inch only the terrace is. Before it was 1.5 feet.
Pramod ji has a wealth of knowledge. He tells me about the royal Chatardis that lie not very far from Aina Mahal. These cenotaphs were also built by Ram Singh Malam in honor of the kings. It's interesting how the architecture of Bhuj is highly influenced by Europe. Next door to Aina Mahal is the giant Prague Mahal designed in the Italian style. Another fascinating sight is the Ramkund stepwell that lies in the heart of the city. Stepwells like these serve as irrigation tanks and are almost synonymous with Gujarat. The Ramkund stepwell offers a quiet atmosphere and is a great way to cool off in the summer. It definitely seems to be a hit among the amphibians here.